Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Collabria MasterCard online. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Collabria MasterCard, go ahead and open up a preferred web browser. In the URL box, type in collabria.mycardinfo.com and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the login screen. If you've not enrolled yet for Collabria, go ahead and click the enroll link at the bottom and follow through the prompts. In the web address bar, type in collabriacreditcards.ca and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page where it'll ask you to enter the name of your financial institution. Type in the name and click go. Right after you do that, you'll be able to end up in the card info page where you'll need to enter your user ID and password. The login page that you end up might differ according to your selection. Enter the information in the text boxes, that is your user ID and password, and click login to account button in order to log into your account. That is how you'll be able to access your Collabria MasterCard service. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.